Oh man, gotta make sure my novels are in order. Oh man, these pants, they gotta get back in the dryer. Oh no, my underwear. This day is completely messed up. I mean, the only thing that would top that is when I looked on the news and that news reporter said that serial killer escaped the mental asylum and now he's gonna be coming and trying to kill everybody in the city. Man, this is gonna be the worst day ever. I guess I better just sit down and hum some of my own tunes. Dum-ba-dum-dum, dum-ba-libbity-dum-dum.